Hello everyone, in this lecture and onwards I will be discussing about C++ operators. Now C++ operators are operator is a special symbol that tells the compiler to perform a specific mathematical or logical operation on one or more operands. So in a statement that you have often seen like C is equal to A plus B or any other statement, A, B and C are operands and plus and equal to are operators. So operand can be a variable, it can be a constant, so you can write a plus 10 also, and it can be an expression like a plus b is itself an expression which involves two operands a and b. So the operation is basically the action that has to be performed on operands, and it evaluates to the result of mathematical expression, and it may result in change of data. So operators available in C++ can be categorized broadly on the number of operands they are operating with. On this basis, we can classify them as unary operators, binary operators, and ternary operators. By the name itself, unary means it takes one operand. Binary operators, as the name suggests, take two operands, and ternary operators, as the name suggests, take three operands. So what all categories of various operators that are available in C++ can be classified into all these three categories. For example, increment, decrement, unary plus, unary minus, address of operators, indirection, size of, type ID, logical not, and many other operators fall under the category of unary operators. Then we have arithmetic operators that will be discussing. All these operators will be discussed shortly. Relational operators, equality operators, logical operators, bitwise, and assignment, and many other operators are falling which all involve two operands and fall under the category of binary operators. And there is a conditional operator, and it is a ternary operator as it takes three operands. Okay.